Are you searching for the MINI Laser Engraver Machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 MINI Laser Engraver Machine in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Laserpecker Handheld Laser Engraver Portable Powerful Laser Engraving Cutting Machine, Laserpecker 2, Super Fast Handheld 2-in-1 Laser Engraver Cutter, compact and portable. This solid disruptive innovation in small size with handle is convenient to take on the go. Personal DIY, bulk or offline shop, commercial customization, production marking and far more possible. Fast and accurate, upgraded laser source with 10x power than the first generation, engraving speed up to 600 mm/s, preview speed 3750 mm/s, 0.05 mm high accurate spot create more details. 3 engraving resolution options 1K divided by 1.3K divided by 2K provide perfect details level. Class 4 laser engraving machine, easy to use, plug and play. Sets up in seconds and works with smartphone/PC to transfer images, keep 11 cm laser distance and correct power/depth, and begin engraving with just a few clicks. Functional handy, max 100 by 100 mm engrave size. Laserpecker 2 can engrave paper, cardboard, wood, leather, acrylic, oxidized/painted aluminum, etc. Can't engrave gold, silver, copper, brass, or reflective materials. Cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather thickness within 5 mm, safety guarantee, protective shield, goggles, overheating protection, password lock, motion detection, laser indicator and overheat shutdown make it super safe to use. This machine with a 12-month guarantee package includes laser unit, electric stand, protective shield, adapter glasses, Type-C cable, English manual.